Take a ride in the 2016 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, Sirius satellite radio, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, steering wheel controls. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.